Hello, hi, my name is Yana. I'm from the Cleaner London company and I will show you how to clean the microwave. For this we will need the bowl with water, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and what we need to do is to put this water with vinegar inside for 5 minutes. And we need to wait because the water will be boiling and the steam will help us to take the grease off. So now it's going to the end. We're taking the bowl with water out. We're taking this plate as well. You can wash it in a dishwasher or by hand. We're taking the wet cloth and easily everything is coming out. All the grease is coming out. So your microwave is now clean and ready to use.